Hi, Bella. Good morning.
Hello, teacher.
We okay. Can you tell me, Bella, what did you do before our class? Did you learn? Did you go to school?
Play Roblox.
Oh, you just played Roblox. I see. What about in the afternoon? Are you going to learn another subject?
Learn math.
Okay, math. Sounds nice, Bella. So let me share my screen so you can eat your lunch after our class directly. Probably you are hungry now. So let us start right away for a moment. Okay, so now Mila will have this one. Okay, in here, all you have to do is to rewrite the sentences using in the correct order. So you have to use full stops, capital letters, question marks where it's necessary. So yes, Mila, you don't I don't want you to tell me your answer. You have to write it. Okay? Are you ready, Mela?
I want to read.
No. But how, because how will I know if you use full stops, Mela, if you use comma, period, the capital letters, or question marks, if you will just tell me your answer. Yeah? I won't be able to know. So you have to write it. Don't worry, Mela, it'll be quick. Anyway, you are using an iPad, so it's easy to type. Okay, please take your time, Ella. Are you writing now?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, yes, father gave me an unexpected present. Where is the period, Mela? You forgot the period again? Okay, period. Next.
It is
Where?
this.
Where? This one?
Yeah.
Why is it below? Why is it under the sentence, Mela? Okay, okay. The period must be placed after the last letter of the word. Okay, Tumela. is too difficult?
Yeah.
If you find it difficult, Mela, you can proceed to 3, 4, or 5. You can answer the okay, my mother types on the computer. Yes, that's correct, Mela. 3. If you find something difficult, Mela, you can always proceed to another item and then we can go back to the difficult one. Did you eat your lunch already?
No.
Are you hungry now?
Yeah.
Sorry, Mela. Okay. Mm. Now, where is
Wait,
your
what the wait.
okay? Yes, there you have it. So we'll erase the period because it's a question, so it's should be a question mark. Okay, what about 4? 4. Do you know the answer now? Okay, we go walk after for a dinner. Okay, thank you so much, Mela. You started it well. However, the correct answer is we go for a walk after dinner. Okay, last one, Mela. You got this, Mela. You can do it. Take your time. Okay, I first won. Okay, I first won a prize in the competition. Okay, thank you, Mela. However, the correct answer here is I won. Can you continue? I won the. It should be I won the. What did you win? The first prize in a competition. Okay. I won the first prize in a competition. Okay, there you have it, Mela. But still, thank you so much for trying your best. Now, proceeding to another one. we have here a story and a word bank. We as well have pictures above each blanks to guide you what you should answer, what you should fill in each blanks to complete the story. Now, let us start with the first one. Mela, can you read it?
I can read.
Yes, you can read it.
Um, Susan and David have a beautiful garden. Um, in front of their house, butterfly and bees fly among a pretty flower. There is there is
What is that? It's where the birds lay eggs and raise their babies. There is a, you know, Mela?
don't know.
Okay, we can skip that one. Let's proceed to the next one. They can see many red.
It's the red ants
Mhm.
on
On
the
the
tree too.
tree too.
Sometimes they find little green, green, green.
What are these?
I know this, but I don't know this English.
Look at the words here, Mela. Look at the words. We're done with the garden, butterflies, and ants. Okay, we have three words left. What do you think are these? These are called creatures, caterpillars, or nests. Can you try to guess? What do you think, Mila? What do you think? They are?
I uh, a creatures.
They're creatures. They're caterpillars, Mila. Wait, caterpillars.
Sâu bướm,
Okay, they will turn to beautiful butterflies, right? Okay, caterpillars. On the leaves, David and Susan love to see these small, we have here ants and caterpillars. We call them small blank in their garden. Small what, Mela?
Small, small, small creatures.
Okay, small creatures in their garden, which means the last one, Mela, it's, what is it? It's
Uh, a nest.
okay, yes, it's a nest. That is what we call the thing where birds lay their eggs. Wait, let me show you a clearer picture, Mela. Nest. Okay, this one, Mela. It's a bird's nest. See, we can see birds here waiting for their mom. Nest with eggs. Okay, that is what we call nest in English. Nest. Okay, now let us proceed to this one, the bird and the ant. Okay, so look at the sentences below, Mela, and tell me which suits best to each picture. Let us have the first one.
Um, uh, the the an ant was crawling tree branch.
An ant was crawling on a tree branch. Okay, and then, Mela,
Uh,
what about for picture two? Okay, so in the first picture, an ant was indeed crawling on a tree branch. What about for picture two, Mela?
suddenly, a strong gust of quiet blew the end of the branch and into the river below.
Okay, below. Very good. What about for three?
Um,
Just take your time, Mela. Okay, so an ant was crawling on a tree branch. Suddenly, a strong gust of wind blew the ant off the branch and into the river below. Now, what about for the third picture?
thinking picture tree is a thinking weakly the bird picked up a leaf and dropped it near the end.
Is that it, Mela? Is that it? But in the third picture, we can see the bird picking up a leaf, right? We can see the bird picking up a leaf, which means that what is happening here in the third picture? In the third picture, What is it, Mela? What do you think? Is it difficult, Mela?
Yeah.
You can do it. We only have four options left. Okay, so we're done with this one. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Now, what about for the third one? This doesn't match here, Mela, because the bird picked up a leaf and dropped it near the ant. But we can see the bird picking up leaf here. There's no leaf, right? Even in its beak, there's no leaf. Okay, so the answer here, it should be a bird saw the helpless ant in the water. Okay, that is what happened here. Now, what's next? Oh, wait, no. What's next, Mela, for picture four?
Um,
What do you think is it, Mela?
thing four is thinking quickly. The bird picked up a leaf and dropped it near the ant.
Okay, yes, very good. That is 4, 5.
Um, the ants quickly climbed onto the leaf.
Okay, this is climb, Mela, climbed. Okay, the ant quickly climbed onto the leaf. And the last one, Mela. Mela? What is the answer for the last one? We only have last option here.
When it was safe on the leaf, the ant waved gracefully at the bird.
Okay, yes, that is 6. Thank you so much. Now, since we're done talking about the picture, then I want you to personally talk about it. Okay, now can you tell me, Mela, what is happening in the first picture? What is happening in the first picture? Can you tell me in your own words, Mela? In your own words, tell me what is happening in each picture.
Hãy dùng lời lẽ của riêng bạn để mô tả những gì đang diễn ra trong mỗi bức tranh.
It's um, the ant is climbing the tree.
Okay, yes, the ant is climbing up the tree. Okay, second picture, Mela. What about second picture? What happened to the ant here?
Um, the what for
The wind. The strong wind.
will is now and the
Okay.
is
Okay, the strong wind blew the ant into the river. Next picture, Mela. Third one.
in the river.
Okay, the bird saw the ant. And what about for the fourth picture? What about in the fourth picture, Mela? I can't hear you clearly, Mela. Okay, so to give you more time to think of words to describe what is happening in each picture, then we'll continue that one tomorrow. Thank you so much for your time, Mela. And since you're hungry, you can eat your lunch now. Thank you. Goodbye, Mela.
Thank you.